We must hide the secret weapon in the Gulf R. But Doctor, what about Vos Wales? That guy? He will never find it.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. No. All jokes aside, it is true. We do have a secret compartment and we are breaking into it today, but we gotta do breakfast. That breakfast was delicious, but we need to get down to business. For a little bit of background, the secret compartment in question is my center console between the two front seats right there. So the first thing I did was get on Google and try to find out why the compartment is locked. And the real reason is actually really interesting. Safety laws in America don't allow compartments in cars that open and close inside the vehicle if they can't be locked shut. I don't know why they didn't just add a locking mechanism like everyone else, but now we understand the problem and we can hunt for the solution. Like any problem-solving young adult of my age, I hopped on Reddit first and I was not surprised to have immediately found a YouTube tutorial detailing how to open the secret compartment. In fact, it was the perfect tutorial. Too perfect. This man is not just any other man. He is an extremely skilled individual who solved this problem with ease and finesse. You see, it's time for a little sidebar here. I have spent years at the mercy of this lock center console. If I have too much stuff in my pockets, or I have a large item in my hands that doesn't all fit in the cup holders or the side pocket, then I have nowhere to put it and it falls out of my pockets and I'm overthrown with rage. Yet this man lives in a peaceful nirvana of mental strength in which he not only solves problems, but is so skilled at it that he is confident enough to record himself solving problems and share it for others to see. While his video may seem like a helping hand, it is an egotistical smirk at those who are able to understand his subtle messages, but unable to match their intensity. Anyway, now we have a bulletproof plan. We'll remove this trim piece by unhooking these plastic clips while trying not to break them. Then we will remove the 4mm hex screws that keep the latches fixed in place. Then we will tape over the grooves to ensure they do not lock again. Then we can check that our compartment opens. The contents are censored for your safety. Lastly, we will replace the trim piece onto the center console, and our mission will finally be complete. I'm actually so terrified of these plastic clips breaking on me, but we brought the tripod, so. We have the tripod, we're on our way to somewhere a little bit nicer to film. Here we go. All right, I don't want to break these clips, but we have to do it. We got to get the thing open, so here we go. I've got some technical support from our friend over here. I'm gonna pull up and out. Oh, might be some fast forward utilized here. I might cry. Oh, that was a smooth exit.
That was nice.
That felt good.
Yeah, the left is totally unpopped. Nice.
Ooh.
This middle are out. It's just the bottom ones. Try and pull up a little bit.
No.
There we go.
Oh, baby.
Nice
That is a
job.
win right there. That is a win. I'm gonna let the technical support here help us out.
Do not want to strip these guys. There we go. This one's fine.
That guy came right out. But yeah, and they also said be sure to catch them.
There's a little fastener on the other side that I really... There we go.
Money. All right, so here we go. So this is the moment of truth. I'm gonna go up to the front seat. It's a little spot. How is there dust in there? We have done it. This is huge. This is extremely big for the program, but now we need to tape it or something. We're going to put this piece of tape over these rivets right here. Put this over here, tape that down. As we lift it up, those pieces go down, and they should be catching on these little rivets on their way back up. However, they don't. So we lower it back down and it just skates right over it. Same with over here, it just skates right over it. All right, so before we install this trim piece back on the car, it appears that the German factory workers were playing tic-tac-toe and they decided they were going to lock my center console.
Why do you always get to go first?
All right, we got the clips off the first time. Now we have the second most scary part about the entire thing, which is actually re-clipping the clips. I think we just kind of, I think it's like a slide down kind of thing. I could be wrong. Ugh. I hear clips going in.
I think it's flush.
I hear good
top
things.
one. Yeah. It's good to go.
Wow. All right, I'm over the original excitement of opening this thing. I'm now calm. I can really, truly appreciate that before the armrest could only really do this. And now that we can open it and put stuff in there, I mean, this has been something that I've wanted to do for, ever since we've owned the car, because as soon as we got into it at the dealership, I realized this doesn't open, and that's a pretty big deal. So this is popped. I'm fired up. There was no hidden treasure in there. I'm kind of upset about that. I kind of wish they'd put like a little Easter egg in there. Our German scientist friends, you know, like we've been qualming with them all day. You'd think they'd have, you know, a chess piece ahead of us, something like that. But that's not it. So we're headed home to put the car away. We are finally back home, and I am so glad that we got that modification done. It's been bugging me for 3 years. Anyway, it's time to edit. This was a new style of content for me. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one.